Hey folks, Jeff with Centennial Woods, and today we're talking about cupping. A concern we get from some of our customers is that the reclaimed wood planks in their order contain material that's just a little bit cupped, but luckily there's no need to panic. Cupping is completely normal for any real wood product, and even planks that are more aggressively cupped will lay flat and stay flat when installed properly. Our reclaimed wood planks are just a 1/4 inch thick, so they flex. After construction adhesive is applied to the backside, simply apply pressure across the face of the plank while securing brad nails. The big thing to keep in mind is to make sure we force the plank to lay flat before nailing, because brad nails are what initially holds the material in place while our construction adhesive dries. And we want to make sure the planks are pinned flat while the construction adhesive hardens. Now, most of the time you can create enough pressure across the entire face of the plank, but if that proves to be a challenge, you can always start at the bottom edge and work your way to the top, or vice versa. You should be able to get the planks to lay flat using only your hands, but if you want to apply pressure in a specific area, something like a rubber mallet is a good tool for that. Whether your material has some cupping or is completely flat, it's always a good idea to double check your work. After a while, run your hands over the face of the plank to find any high spots, apply pressure, and pop in another brad nail or two if needed. And that's it.